Abusia from Obi Biakwaba Eba Attention TV. So you know the beginning of this year no ye nua mam you no bia ba ko fi Nigeria na ba ko Ghana ni na Ghana ni ye frɛ no afiba wo mo kopie Nigeria ye kidnap mbaba wa mienu abesi nne ye hu omo da na kyese wo mu na kyese wo matoa nananom wonse na kamia ye say Nigeria de wo hwɛ mu sesi ade kidnapping no koso wo ho pa sesi a abayoa ane abranche bi wo mu nyina ye university for school for a wo ma me ne wo papa me de mo ko school no se wo mu ko sua ade na daachi bi wo ma bo achirima no de bi enye school na na omoko ebi mo ebesikantem ama abranche ye friend Jeremiah wadi ewu no ano odin pa Jeremiah ekidnapo na dafo hwe ntremu na girl no nadafo part so won ne koba enti okidnapo ababawa no de ne kowura dantro bi mo chichire nani enti akom ne ntremu no abayo na preya woro ade ne kata na chese wo hu se ono nadafo Jeremiah na pese edi na wi na chese se wo hu manimu dia na wo se medi edua bo tim na mekum ano odi ti Jeremiah pa chese girl no hu nanim no wo se okunu o se anim guase de efa no wuo wo se okunu adamfo no because wo hu nanim na wo ku no wie yenso na otutu fom de ne share baby na ye hu ni biem na ye tu ababa o ye mu a police for ehwehwe na chese Jeremiah wo twa na damfo na nufo ne sebi na kosua dompo wo twetwa some of the private parts ne bi Jeremiah nkyere mo ne se sikaduro na wo de kwakoya na chese private part na watwitwa no wo de koye semina adware ano odi ye chi Jeremiah na afedie o bonyankopon di say I swear to God na so tam wo di awu no ho no wa hu nyankopon afere nyankopon di awu sei de sekan atwa wadanfo sebe ne niema wo de ti asase so bobra ano odi mayentie wudi fui embra we me nkase yentie Jeremiah embra yentie wudi fui embra.
I should tell you everything. I told you everything.
You see the private part, they don't come out.
Sir, they don't move anything. Sir, I swear to God.
Hey, how many people did you kill?
See, they even put cloth for him.
You are who killed this girl?
I'm the only one. I swear to God. Sir.
What did you use in?
I strangle her.
Strangle her?
Yes, sir.
Why? Why?
They don't come out the womb. Yes.
Sir, I swear to God.
The womb, they come out.
Okay, wait. Why did you kill her?
Sir, they will raise it now. I confessed to you. Sir, I told you. Sir, I should go. Sir, I swear to God.
What and what? What and what? Which part of her? What and what did you remove from her body?
Sir, I swear to God. I didn't remove anything. I swear to God.
Okay, why did you kill her?
Sir,
why did you remove anything?
Sir, I told you now. Sir,
why did you kill her?
I don't have to escape. That's why she already see my face.
Why did you?
I kidnapped her, like I told you. She was trying to escape. So she already see my face.
Where did you kidnap her from?
She know you before?
No.
Where did you kidnap her from?
I brought her here.
Where did you carry her from?
From that gas station side.
Gas station, I carry her?
Yes, sir.
How did you get her contact?
Drag her here.
Drag her. This is a rope for the neck. And nobody sees you, sir. What time? Around what time?
Towards that, after, around 9.
What do you say is your name?
Jeremiah.
Jeremiah what?
Which tribe are you?
Boju.
Boju. Boju from which state?
Kaduna South.
What brought you to Kogi?
Hozu.
Hozu.
Okay, this is the hustling.
This is the hustling. How many people have you killed in your life?
I swear to God.
Which of the God are you talking about?
You swear to God.
How many people have you kidnapped?
Did you know God?
This is my first time.
You see?
This is my first time. I swear to God.
Apart from kidnapping, what else have you done? Then who remove her?
Sir, I swear to God, I didn't move everything. After I struggled her today, I just dragged her here, I left her here. I swear to God, sir.
You are lying.
Sir, I swear, I'm telling you the truth.
You are lying.
Na chese quick money wo hwe mu aninchim no ofi baby pa no aba wo fi baby no aba Nigeria state oba be ko school nenso o pesikante se sika edi nipa be do akire pa ko odi nipa se de akoso dompo ko dware de enye ho ne bebom sikaduru ano odi meso bibia so be hwe na brabo yi na mfo wan godu anim guase mu akwentua makra